This free tutorial will show you how to fade in audio tracks in Capcut PC online free video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, so the first step to fade in an audio piece or audio track in Capcut PC online for Windows, Mac, you get the point. I have video pieces, but as you can see, I have an audio piece right here. So there's a couple ways to do this. You want to click on your audio piece. As you can see, it's color white, or it's selected and highlighted, or you can drag and it selects. And basically this is the cool part that comes in, because if you were to right click on your audio piece, you can only do so much. You can copy, cut, copy attributes, delete, transcripts, base editing, deactivate, etc, etc. But basically to fade this in, we want to go to the top right hand screen on Capcut PC while it's still selected and then highlighted, and then you can see under basic, which is the first option, we want to make sure this is checked so that we can see volume, and right here we can choose to fade in or fade out the audio piece or audio clip by clicking this right here and then moving this to the right. And notice that moving this to the right will create a curve on our audio piece or music track. And then again, you can fade this out if you'd like by moving this to the right. Look at that, it looks like a mountain. Okay, now this is what this sounds like. Or should I say this is the before? And this is the after.